today we're bringing you February BoxyCharm! Super excited about this. It's Valentine's month, so I kind of thought it might be like red box or something different, just because it's Valentine's month, but it's not.
It's not.
BoxyCharm. So, I already did this part. Now we're gonna open it.
Dun, dun, dun.
Ooh, don't look at this. Don't look at this.
I want to see the card. I want to see the card.
Oh, spoiler alert, she's looking at the card.
I don't have a BoxyCharm anymore, so I can look at the card.
Galaxy Glow apparently
This
is the
is.
theme. Not Valentine's-y at all, but that's okay. I'm okay with glow. Getting ready for summer. Okay, let's see what's in here. What's this? Ooh, CoverFX. Shimmer Veil. Shimmer Veil. A pearlescent cream, perfect for eyelids, but can be used anywhere you want a veil of shimmer. Ooh.
Shimmer Veil.
Ha ha ha.
What color is it?
Ooh.
Purple.
Purpley pink.
Interesting.
Not for resale.
So this must be a...
So, CoverFX. I didn't even know they made eyeshadow. But they do. They make highlight. That's what I've known them for. I haven't known them for... Let's swatch it. Ooh.
That's thick.
Very thick.
Does it smell?
No. Look. It's pretty color.
It is pretty. What does it feel
It's
like?
very glittery. Like if you spread it around, it's just glitter, like on my finger. So
Cool.
well, it looks like if you mixed it, I don't know. Oh, there's another card about it. Extra glitter, extra shimmer, extra you. And this apparently is a 20% off your next purchase on CoverFX.com through March. Interesting. What's next? Pure. P-U-R brand.
I've not done Pure brand.
Exfo Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator. I've never used a lip exfoliator.
Ooh.
It's like in... It smells like chapstick.
With a hint of vanilla-ish. What does it do?
Oh, I guess it like gets all the lips, like exfoliates your lips like you would your face. It's kind of gritty.
With an instant boost of shea butter. Okay, the shea butter is what I'm smelling. Raw sugar, exfoliating beads. This 4-in-1 lip scrub pencil exfoliates, plumps, hydrates, and smooths. Using the shea butter to soften the lips while the raw sugar and exfoliating beads are used to buff away dead surface cells.
Oh, it does feel kind of gritty. I feel the sugar in it.
Moisturizes the lips for a softer, smoother, more plump lip. So I guess this is one like you wouldn't have to necessarily wash off. Because I have one by Trifle Cosmetics and it's red. So at night when I use it, my lips turn red, but then you wash it off. But it's a sugar scrub.
I don't know. I feel like you'd have to use it as a chapstick though, because I think if you put anything over it, it might slide.
Okay.
Because it's slick.
Makes sense.
Interesting. What's this? This is pretty. Vintage
that is pretty.
by Jessica something. Smokey Eye Pencil Jet Black. Look, it's really pretty. Wrong way, Lauren. This way. So, black eyeliner. Whoa, that comes off nice and easy. Look at that.
Oops, sorry guys. I'll be around.
Look. Ooh,
nice.
Smooth. You want to feel it? Draw more on my hand or on your hand.
That's very creamy.
Yay!
Haha. Is it smudge? No, it comes off.
I don't think it's waterproof.
Well, it's a pretty pencil.
Yeah.
Regardless.
Ooh, what's this?
Looks like brushes to me.
Crown 3-piece brush trio. Pretty.
Now, you got a little Valentine going on because the CoverFX is
kind of purpley pink.
And then these are pink and white.
They knew. Ooh, let's feel them. I do like brushes.
I like brushes too.
Okay.
I want to see this one.
Yeah. Okay, so they're synthetic brushes. They have little indents where your fingers go. And they say crown on them. I really like the end where it's all fluffy.
This right here would make a great, I have one by Morphe that's shaped like this. It's this cone shape. This would be an awesome, because mine's made if you put the powders are right underneath this part of your eye. And that's shaped just like, really similar to my Morphe one.
Interesting. What's this one supposed to be for, I wonder?
That one.
A
Doesn't
little bit
even
of blush.
say.
I don't
That's
know.
nice.
I don't know
I
if it
like
says
it.
or not. This is eyeshadow, clearly. They have like a metal top. Whoa, I dropped one.
We like it that much. Use this 3-piece Pro Brush Trio to contour your face to perfection. The small brush can be used to conceal imperfections. Like
Never mind, it's a concealer brush.
And highlight under the eyes. The medium brush can be used to sculpt your cheekbones and perimeter of your face. So that can be used like
Bronzer.
a bronzer brush.
Okay.
Then the big one, the large brush is for powder, to be used for setting everything in place.
You nailed it.
But I wasn't thinking all over face. I was seriously
You're just thinking under
like
eye.
just right
What they said
in this
this
area.
one's for.
That's concealer. This is powder.
Oh yeah. True.
You can set your you can put on your
Conceal.
concealer. Ta-da! Then you can put on your powder. Ta-da!
All right. Cool.
Very
Pretty brushes.
cool.
What's next?
They're actually kind of nice.
Ofra Cosmetic Laboratories. I've seen Ofra before. Blush Winter Rose Glow.
Huh.
So it's a blush. Let's watch it.
Let's swatch time.
Swatch.
Whoa, it's tiny.
Ooh. Oh. It just keeps getting smaller. Here's what the packaging looks like.
Interesting.
Interesting indeed.
So,
Ha ha ha.
it's part of their little magnetic palette.
Doesn't smell like anything.
Ooh, it's pretty.
Oh, it's very
It's almost like a
wintry.
bronzer.
Or bronzery. Look at that.
You could use that as a bronzer.
I could totally use that as a bronzer.
It's got some
Interesting.
shimmer to it, though, like it says, a glow.
Yeah, it does have. I like it though because it's not glittery. It's just a
It
light.
has kind of a, it's a brown, it's like a,
I wouldn't call it rose. I'd call it more bronzy.
like
glow.
a terracotta-y brown with some gold in it.
Very much like a summer bronzer, from my opinion. What's this?
Bloop.
Oh, what? They gave us the
They
Z palette.
sent a Z palette.
That's exciting. So then I can actually put this in there. And ooh, look at how this opens.
That's cool. That's really cool.
That's cool. Okay, so we're gonna take this and we're going to put the blush.
Haha, that's awesome.
Ooh, how cool. It stays like it's
Really-
supposed to.
Yeah, we don't have these palettes.
I haven't ever had one. Because they're expensive to buy this part.
That's neat. So,
Ta-da!
okay, my question then is this something that BoxyCharm is going to start giving? I wonder if I wonder if you can expect.
So are they gonna fill it? Yeah, like are they gonna send the things to fill it? Ooh, comment
That's
down
neat.
below what you think they're gonna do.
That's neat.
Sweet. I have a Z palette and it has one little thing in it, but it's cute.
It is cute.
Cool. All right. Well, they just get a little bit of everything, didn't they? Because we got eyeshadow, eyeliner, lip exfoliator, blush, and brushes.
Okay, do y'all want to give me
Let's do prices real
Okay.
quick. Yeah.
quick? How fast is quick? Ah! The pop-up mini palette. Oh, that's a mini palette.
This is mini.
That's a mini palette.
Looks big to me.
That's a pop-up mini palette. And it is $19.
Okay.
And the little blush refill is $12.
Wow. Woohoo.
This CoverFX, it is, $28.
Wow.
Vintage Cosmetics,
I
$21. $21.
Wow.
Okay.
Pure.
What is this? Oh, Pure. Am I there?
No,
Help me.
you're good. So this.
Pure FX Lip Plumping Exfoliator,
Ooh.
$17.
Wow.
And then her Crown
Brushes.
Pro, $29.99.
Wow.
That
That's an expensive box.
it is a very nice box. So
Yay.
on the front of this, it says enter for a chance to win an exclusive BoxyCharm worth $400.
Woo.
There you go.
Cool.
Awesome.
Let's do it.
Well, happy Valentine's Day
Happy Valentine's Day
to you.
month. And happy spring. It feels like
Month.
spring.
Yeah, month.
Finally.
Month.
Haha.
Yes.
Makes me happy. Can finally be outside, not freeze.
Seriously, it's so pretty outside today. We're out on the back patio porch doing this filming because
Yes.
it's so
So pretty.
beautiful outside today. It has been Rainy.
And cold.
Cold. No snow. No ice. Just rainy and cold.
My windshields have been iced in the mornings last week.
Oh.
Or was it the week before last? I don't know. It's been icy windshields.
Yeah. By the time I'm out, it's not icy.
Yeah, they were early.
But it's pretty. The birds are starting to come out.
Mm-hmm. And the little lizards. They're so cute.
There's all kinds of stuff. Spring has sprung upon us, y'all.
Haha!
So.
And the tree pollen is everywhere. But I'm not allergic to it. Ha! So good for me.
Yay! So, but yeah. That's it, I think.
Yeah.
I think we're done with this BoxyCharm for the day.
Yep. Now I can use it. Ha ha ha! I've been waiting to open it so we can film it so that I can actually use it. So I'm super excited about it because I've had it for a couple of days. So.
But she's not getting to
I've been waiting.
She's like, I want to make the video. I want to make the video. I want to make the video. So,
ta-da!
Yeah.
Here it is.
So,
Hope that
thanks
you
for joining us.
enjoyed this video.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
So.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Until next time.
Remember.
And never forget that
you are beautiful.